Aloha, this is Helena Summer Medina with LiveDelicious.com. I had a client yesterday asking me, why didn't you tell me what's going to happen in my life after a breakup with a girlfriend? Why didn't you tell me? Excuse me, number one, I don't know. I don't know because we have choices to make. However, I know one thing. I know what will happen to each and every one of us on a different level. There will be a combination of 4 things and 3 things entertained. Number 1, every one of us, animals, insects, plants, and humans, get birth. Mostly, birth is not the most delicious thing. It often is painful. Sometimes it's wonderful, but often it's painful for mom and the baby. Birth, disease, everyone alive at some point gets a toothache or headache, a cold, or some terminal, really crazy illness. Birth, disease, old age, if you're lucky enough not to die young and happy, you will get into the old age, which brings its set of blessings and troubles with it. And number 4, you will die. Yep. The soul is eternal and wonderful, lasts forever, but material body will die. Birth, disease, old age, and death, in combinations with 3 powerful troubles, and those are the ones that come from nature, outside influences, different weather circumstances, natural calamities, too hot, too cold, tsunamis, all kinds of weather and invisible forces that are causing us troubles. Second, troubles we will get from other living creatures, from insects and bacteria to dogs. Maybe monkey throws something at you if you are riding on the streets in India, as it happened to me a few times. And also from other living beings as humans. Even if your mom loves you dearly, she will cause you a lot of troubles. Even if you love your husband or boyfriend so much, there will be lots of troubles caused by other beings. And what to speak about some people you don't even know and you just get in some clash, your boss, that will happen. And last part is troubles that happen from your own mind. Your own stressful thoughts, limiting thinking, ideas that are not supporting your goals, that all come from your personal anxiety, your personal beliefs about your value in the world, about what you can do and what you cannot do in regards to everything. From dating to work to fitness, everything. So now, my dear, combine these 4 and these 3, and you will see that in any given stage of life, life gives us so many different circumstances. It is our thing to make a problem out of it, or to just watch from above. Just watch and know, okay, this is my combination. Today's set of combination. It's inevitable. Everyone will have. The secret is to live delicious, because live is without E. No one has that part of perfection. No one. Everyone. Every single Dalai Lama, Donald Trump, Oprah, or Britney Spears have the set of combination of these 4 and 3. So live delicious.